The last video for the Subbies 2019, another year gone. Let's take a look at my last subscriber's choice. YouTube Fragrance family, welcome to my December 2019, the last subscriber's choice video of the year. If you're new to these, this is where you make your vote count in the comments section below. One comment / vote per YouTube handle. If you got several troll accounts, good for you. You get 7 votes. Which one are you going to choose out of these 3? I will properly introduce them later in this video. Which one is going to get the first impression, of course, on my channel, and of course the first one to be reviewed on my channel. There's a big gap from the one that would be first in the subscriber's choice to last. I mean, it could be a big gap of months before I review the last one versus the first one. So every single vote counts. Now, before I get into the meat and potatoes of the actual video, I want to thank my partner in crime, fragranceguru.com, for this haul. You can utilize my YouTube handle on their website as a coupon code, which is Robes08, and you get 15% off on any purchase there, from the smallest couple little samples to a huge $1,000 haul if you wish to do so. All 3 of these, last time I checked, are all in stock at fragranceguru.com, the exact same bottles I have in front of me. Also, please take the time to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you can keep tabs on yours truly, since I'm going to be pumping up quite a bit of videos in 2020, so you want to be one of the first to check out my new content. I actually have a haul coming up in the next coming weeks. You don't want to miss that one. I'm also all over social media. You can follow me on all platforms. I'm easy to find. You type in Robes08 on social media and you'll find me all over the place. Talking about my social media content, if you do have a Facebook account, go check out my Facebook fragrance group, where myself and 16,800 other members are waiting for you to talk about fragrances with us. Now, if you haven't seen it, as you can see, these 3 fragrances are unboxed. I did do an unboxing / first impression on a piece of paper for all of you out there. That was shot back in October of 2019. So I'll put actually the link of that video down below. So if you want to get my real first impression, again, I always feel like if you're going to buy a fragrance, especially the price point of Amouage and Lost Cherry right here, you want to put that thing on skin. You don't want to put it on a piece of paper and just smell the introduction of the fragrance. That's all it's going to give you. You want to see the dry down. How long is it going to last on your skin? How is it going to project on your skin? So if you can, get samples and wear it out, you know, on a work day or on a casual day, and see how it works on your skin. So that's a huge tip before you purchase something as pricey as these ones right here. Now, let's get into them. I'm going to introduce them. Nothing huge in this video. It's just basically a hub for me to go back and see which one. Once I'm ready to tackle these fragrances, I just take a look at all your comments. And again, put as much content in your comments as you can. Like, you'll say, oh, I'm voting for Lost Cherry, and this is the reason why. There's not too many reviews on it. I want your personal take on it. I love to hear why you choose what you choose. So you can only choose one. So let's take a look at it. These are 3 brands that I absolutely love. Actually, it's fitting to finish up 2019 with 3 brands that I purchased quite a bit from: Guerlain, Amouage, and Tom Ford. Big fan of all 3 fragrance brands, especially actually all 3. 2020, I'm looking to purchase a lot more from all 3 of these brands. So let's start with this one. This is actually a cheapie from the haul, big time actually. Big price difference from this one compared to these 2. This is from the Aqua Allegoria line. I absolutely love this lineup from Guerlain. They're cheap, especially at discounters. They're around $50, give or take. And this is a Bergamot Calabria, bergamot-based fragrance. Obviously not really good for winter right now, but I can wear it in the office. But also I'm looking more for spring and summer for this one. Talking about spring and summer, let's take a look at Betrayal Man here. I can't wait to get their newest release for men, but this one I basically collect these like Pokemons. Every time they release them, Fragrance X gets them in stock and I snatch them up first haul I can get. And last but not least is, of course, the red bottle. If you haven't seen this, this is Lost Cherry. Actually, I was really impressed with the introduction of this fragrance, but if you want to know more as far as projection, longevity, and stuff like that, a first impression is going to give you a first impression video from me. It's going to give you a lot more detail than just one on a piece of paper. So let me know in the comments below why you chose, what you chose. Obviously put the name of it in there. I want to see how much the fragrance community wants to watch one of these. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to choose. And of course, thank you so much for all the support on the channel. Certainly appreciate it. This year was actually a pretty good year. I'm looking back at it right now on the channel and what I could have done better for all of you guys. Obviously, content is hard to come by when this is just a hobby for me, not a full-time job. So I certainly appreciate all the support, and I can't wait to see what all of you are going to vote for. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.